Hey guys, today is December the 4th of 2018. I want to go over the Aussie dollar using Gann price and time technical analysis. So right now I'm short. I'm short the Aussie at 73.85 and got a sell signal here. And I'm just going to show you my thought process for why I'm shorting the Aussie. One, you can see right here, we kind of made a high here. And then we make another high here and got a sell signal. So that's one of the things I kind of follow. I like this system I have. You got the parabolic that went short. You got the arrow. So it's just telling me if you're going to short, this is the time to short. Momentum, you can see it's there's a divergence. There's a squeeze play going down. And you can see that prices have been contained really tight. Although the green line right here is momentum, so it's really strong. So one thing is it could just either snap right back up and continue going higher. But I see some major resistance up there. So we'll see how it pans out. I got my stop up there. If not, I'll just get stopped out and then reverse my position and go long. So let's look at the charts. As you can see, we have an inside candle there here, another one. Cycles are projecting lower. CCI, you can see, not that much diversion. It's a little stronger up here, but not as high as here. So shows that weakness a little bit kicking in. Elliott, nothing there. MACD, still strong, so nothing's turned. I'm just kind of going ahead of the signal, more fractal. Stokes just giving me a heads up. You know, it could be a possible turn right here, and that's good. Timing wise, clusters, it says that the third or the fifth could be a possible swing top. So I could be in it and maybe get some pain until the fifth, which is tomorrow. RSI, you know, cycles, so it's pretty strong. It kind of maybe even overtook this high here. So it's kind of mixed, but I'm leaning more on the short side. Looking at our squares really quick, you can see that we are at a red pivot, so it could be a possible turning point. We saw that the red one worked here. Just showing an example how you use the squares or how I use it. And I got to watch this angle because this is the 1x1 45. So I got to make sure if it gets there, maybe take half off or maybe just get flat. You can see that this line right here, that blue line, that's what, 73.70. So it's kind of support or resistance, where, you know, depending where the Aussie's at. We use our other square. And you can see that there's this angle projecting down, and it's resistance. It's having a tough time trying to get above it. You can see that there's support right here, which is at 73.33. So, you know, may trail down my stop because it might find support there or on the 1x1 like I said. And if you want to use the traditional squares, again, I recommend it. Let's look at the 144. You can see that there's a top right here or a nice resistance using the 144, and then you got this big angle coming down. So I don't know if it's going to like follow it down like that, but you never know. But so far, it's showing some resistance. You can look at the 90 and see what the 90 is showing, and showing the same angle using the other squares that I've used, and it's kind of at support at that 73.55. So we'll see. And then the 52, it's kind of yeah, you see that maybe this blue line in time, swing to pivot in time, could be the turning point here where it could come down. So we got to see. So it's a lot of clusters. That's how I look at it. Clusters. A lot of things just kind of lining up right here. You got your, you know, timing here. Let's look at, let's see over here. You can see that right here, we had a possible, we hit our target here. So now it could possibly come down. We got the 360 right here. If you use the squares, not the squares, square of 9, it's dancing around these points right here. It hasn't kissed this one, and it's kind of finding support, the 73.53. Take that square off, square of 9, and put the floating one. And it's at the 390. The 360 is at 73.59. The 390 degree, it's at 73.88. So I was really close. I was really leaning on that 88, but I couldn't get it filled, so I got 85. And lastly, the Gann emblem at the 120 degree, 73.74. So a lot of strong levels there. So we'll see. Let's see how it goes. Just want to make a quick video. Look at my indicators. It's kind of missed. This is pretty strong. This is showing weakness, and maybe the pressure is to the explosion is to the downside. You can see here we're below the MOBO, so that looks weak, and we got sell signals here. We just got to see this thing kind of pop around and just keep going down. But I'm looking at it more as a scalp, maybe as a retrace, and then once it finds a base, then go long. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Aussie dollar using WD Gann, price and time, technical analysis.